Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'm going to show you how to freeze frame video on CapCut. So here we have a man running towards the camera. And let's say I want to freeze frame him as he fully comes into shot. So we'll head to that section of the clip. We'll highlight the clip. And you want to come across the bar here. And you want to select this button here. This is the freeze frame button. So once you press that, this proportion of the screen will be frozen. If you wish, you can highlight that freeze frame here. And you can readjust it to the length. So we can make it a little bit longer that the frame is frozen for. This freeze frame section you can be highlighted and you can add animations to it or anything like that. So that's how to freeze frame a video on CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.